Module 5, Data Quality and Data Governance. Data quality and data governance are critical aspects of data warehousing and data integration processes. Ensuring that data is accurate, complete, consistent, and reliable is essential for making informed business decisions and achieving meaningful insights from data. Data governance involves establishing policies, processes, and procedures to manage and ensure the quality of data throughout its life cycle, while data quality refers to the characteristics of data that determine its accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, and relevance. Here are some key concepts related to data quality and data governance. 1. Data quality assessment. This involves evaluating the quality of data based on predefined criteria or data quality dimensions, such as accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, and relevance. Data quality assessment may involve profiling, cleansing, and validating data to identify and rectify data quality issues. 2. Data quality rules. These are predefined rules or business rules that are applied to data to validate and ensure its quality. Data quality rules may include data validation rules, referential integrity rules, format and pattern rules, and business rules specific to the organization's data requirements. 3. Data quality tools. These are software tools or platforms that facilitate data quality assessment, data profiling, data cleansing, and data validation tasks. Data quality tools may offer features such as data profiling, data cleansing, data enrichment, duplicate detection, and data monitoring to ensure data quality. 4. Data governance framework. This is a set of policies, processes, and procedures that govern the management, use, and quality of data within an organization. A data governance framework typically includes data ownership, data stewardship, data standards, data policies, and data management processes. 5. Data stewardship. This involves assigning responsibility for the management and quality of data to designated data stewards or data owners within the organization. Data stewards are responsible for defining and enforcing data standards, data policies, and data quality rules, and ensuring that data is accurate, complete, and consistent. Data quality and data governance are ongoing processes that require continuous attention and management to ensure that data is accurate, complete, consistent, and reliable. Implementing robust data quality and data governance practices can help organizations establish trust in their data, improve decision-making, and achieve meaningful insights from their data warehousing and data integration initiatives. Overview of data quality and data governance. Overview of data quality and data governance refers to a high-level understanding of the concepts, practices, and frameworks that organizations use to ensure that their data is accurate, consistent, reliable, and trustworthy, and to establish processes and policies for managing data across the organization. 1. Data quality. Data quality is the measure of the accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, and validity of data. An overview of data quality typically includes understanding the importance of data quality, common data quality issues, data profiling techniques, data cleansing, data validation, and data enrichment practices to improve data quality. 2. Data governance. Data governance encompasses the management, policies, procedures, and standards that an organization establishes to ensure that data is managed effectively and used in a consistent, compliant, and controlled manner. An overview of data governance typically covers the key components of data governance, such as data governance framework, data policies, data standards, data stewardship, data ownership, data cataloging, data lineage, data access and permissions, and data lifecycle management. 3. Data quality and data governance relationship. Data quality and data governance are closely related, as data governance policies and practices are typically designed to ensure data quality. An overview of data quality and data governance often highlights the relationship between these two concepts and how they work together to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and reliability across the organization. Data quality issues and challenges. Data quality issues and challenges refer to problems or obstacles that organizations may face when managing the quality of their data. These challenges can arise at various stages of the data lifecycle, including data acquisition, data integration, data transformation, data storage, data analysis, and data reporting. Some common data quality issues and challenges include: 1. Inaccurate data. Data can be inaccurate due to errors, inconsistencies, or mistakes during data entry, data integration, or data transformation processes. Inaccurate data can lead to incorrect decisions, faulty analysis, and inaccurate reporting. 2. Incomplete data. Data may be incomplete when it lacks necessary information, fields, or attributes, or when data is missing for certain records or entities. Incomplete data can result in incomplete analysis, limited insights, and incomplete reporting. 3. Inconsistent data. Data inconsistency occurs when data values for the same attribute or field differ across different sources, systems, or records. Inconsistent data can lead to data conflicts, data duplication, and inaccurate reporting. 4. Duplicate data. Duplicate data refers to the presence of multiple copies of the same data in a dataset, system, or database. Duplicate data can lead to data redundancy, increased storage costs, and inaccurate analysis. 5. Data integrity issues. Data integrity issues occur when data is corrupted, altered, or tampered with, resulting in data that is not reliable or trustworthy. Data integrity issues can lead to inaccurate analysis, misleading insights, and compromised decision-making. Addressing these data quality issues and challenges requires organizations to establish robust data quality management practices, including data profiling, data cleansing, data validation, data standardization, data integration, data governance, and continuous monitoring of data quality. By ensuring high-quality data, organizations can make more informed decisions, improve business processes, gain insights, and achieve better outcomes from their data-driven initiatives.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.